Alright everybody, so today we are going to put some headlights in a BMW 328i. Oh no, XI. Again, we started without you, as always, nowadays. Trying to take this panel off. The wheel decided to be stubborn even after we took the bolts out, so yeah, we just left the bolts in. Yeah. Saying whatever, we're gonna make it work. It's raining, or it was. Thank you that it stopped. Thank you Jesus. And so now we're trying to get in there. And if he successfully does it, I can go ahead and start like trying to tackle the other side. This is my buddy RG. Follow him on Instagram. Hey. So the trick to this is to take the whole panel off, the wheel arch cover, and then from there we can get inside and put on his fancy LEDs and make his headlight game strong. Because right now his halos don't even turn on, but he's changing out the regular bulbs too.
You can't have bright white halos and then have yellow headlights.
Yeah, that's,
then you just look like Boo Boo the Fool.
That's so true. He made me get the 10 mil. Oh, you getting fancy. You turning the wheel and everything. Look at that. Oh, that's plastic. You got enough room? That's why he went under there, see?
So, make sure to take all these little 8mm off so you won't have any headaches.
Oh.
Or just being stubborn. Okay, go ahead.
Oh, it's off. It's off. You just probably gotta pull. Oh, there it is.
Now, that's done. This should just.
Yeah. Get all that dirt out of there. Is there another one?
Down there, probably.
Oh, found one more. 8 mil? Oh. Okay. Here. Take that. Oh, it's loose already? Hey. Oh no. Cool. Too easy.
Now, if all is done,
hey, got him.
So wheel liner comes off. Now, if y'all want to take a look in there, you have access to your high beams.
Oh, yep, good.
Right here. You got your low beams, and then you got a little clip up here that has your little halo lights in. That's probably going to be the toughest part to get to, but we're about to have some fun.
Yeah, so I just pulled this clip up, and then this is what we find.
Tape,
it's freaking duct tape and
BS. Bent up ring.
What is that? Wow.
And
the bolt, I told you.
No, that's the light bulb.
What do you mean that's a light bulb?
That's the light, you see?
Wow.
But this clip comes off.
Wow. So this is the culprit, yeah. Right here.
This is where they didn't install it right, watch. I need the T-socket. I think it's like a T.
You talking about the Torx bit?
Torx bit, yeah. Give me it. Yeah.
Well,
so they used ones that weren't for the actual model of the vehicle.
Oh, okay,
so
okay.
The way that they should look are like these. If you want to upgrade your halos, you want to make sure that you order them with the inserts for the bracket, which is on the outside of this light. You see?
Oh, so those are your Torx bits right there.
So that's where the bracket that comes off of the original. This is too fat.
Oh, it's too much? Well, the only other thing I got is probably, I don't even know.
So right side, I'm just not going to go in on there.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Right here.
Yeah, that's your T15 right there. Yeah, I know what you mean. use the duct tape.
Use duct tape.
Just put the duct tape in the thing, so it doesn't magnetize.
In the what?
Come on, man, we finessing right now. Not too much, but yeah, like somehow, right? That work. It works, right? Duct tape always makes things work. It might not be enough still. You get in there? You got it?
No.
No.
It's not twisted.
Oh, here, just try it. Or try that. The twist, is it too big? Is that enough?
Yep.
Hey, so that's how you make it work right there.
Try not to lose these screws.
Yeah.
So whoever had this car before me, their angel lights went out and they tried to replace them and,
With duct tape.
and ultimately failed.
Yeah, they tried to replace it with duct tape. Never replace anything with duct tape.
Duct tape just...
And what is this? Solder wire? Yes, this is solder wire. So solder wire and duct tape. Wow, in a BMW. Who would have thought? Look at you already adding resale value. Oh man, what is that? Is that water?
Yeah.
Freaking camera. Hey. So you can do it with the wheels still on. So if you don't, yeah, make sure you jack up the car, put it on jack stands. Like so.
Alright, so this is what we're gonna have to do. We're gonna have to get...
Well, what you're saying is not making sense right now to me because that white part is in there. So all you gotta do is push the thing. No, it's too far.
Okay. So that's what holds the torque screw in. Kind of.
No, it's something behind it. Yeah, there you go. Now, you just put one in. I can hold it while you try and I'll hold it while you try and finesse. If I can put my hand in there. All right, you got it in the hole?
Yeah.
Let me get it. All right. Yeah.
Twist it manually for right now.
Okay. Not really. I'll tell you where to slide. All right. Yeah, and you're good. You're in there.
Is it in there?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yes, I'm positive. Just get the thing though. It's holding. You can get your see?
Now we just gotta screw it in.
Mm-hmm. And it'll hopefully align. You know, breaking through anything. Your arm getting tired?
Huh? Nah, I just gotta find this shit again.
There you go. So the halo light, oh you got, hey, hold up. You gotta change both of them, right?
Yeah.
Both the halos.
Yeah.
So we only like 33% done.
No. One bulb works both halos.
Oh, that's why one's always stronger than the other. What's happening? What you mean? Let me get up in there. Pretty much, we got the halos in. Halos are in fine. And the only issue is that the easiest plug is turning out to be the hardest plug because it doesn't want to connect fully. So we're just moving on to the low beam LED that he has, which is right. Oh, big guy, right here. So he's got these. And pretty much he's gonna put these in too. I can actually like what you're doing. So he's got a bad clip, pretty much. The clip's on top of the wire.
Yeah, that's
and it's not supposed to be.
There you go. So now, and light comes out.
Got a nice little Civic SI Sport. Notice the little ring right here, right?
Yeah.
You know, I tell you that's what the wire is holding this,
Yeah.
and it's not supposed to hold the freaking
Ballast.
Yeah, it's not supposed to hold this. It's supposed to hold right here.
Yeah.
So the wire's here. It's supposed to hold right there. So
Yeah.
you can't. Did you take the wire all the way out?
No, it's just clipped off. Yeah.
All right. So now you got unclip it all the way and like slide it.
Yeah. I know
Right
what you
there.
did.
There you go. So now you put it over like so, and you gotta like put it in
Yeah,
some fancy way.
Slide it back in.
Yeah, just like that.
You showing my work?
What?
You showing my work?
Yes, I'm gonna show your work. What you mean? Look at that. He wants to leave it like that. Look at that. So somebody had a bright idea to make these prongs too short. So when you plug it into this, it doesn't even fit. It does not fit into that white plastic piece. So what I'm gonna do now is depin the white plastic piece so these prongs can fit on. And it only goes one way. As you can see, there's a shape. So make sure you actually pay attention to the shape. Above, get further back, push it down. Oh, that felt like it. That felt like the game. There it is. So we got one.
Okay. So
Yeah.
you can actually, which side is that side? Flip the plastic piece up.
Come on like this.
Yeah, like that. Okay.
So that's your
That's your left.
left when
Put a
it's
little
up.
bend in it. Put a little bend in it just so you know.
See, you heard that little click, right?
Yeah.
I think I am. Just work, please. What are you doing? Oh.
Oh, there you go. So now we got them off, and now we're just gonna go ahead and crimp them back onto that little plastic piece that's hanging, and the halo should work.
Yeah, we're gonna clip it into this,
Yeah.
which you already kind of saw. So.
Here. So cut it off.
Well, it's officially raining like crazy, and we're making it happen still. That's how we do it.
I just gotta let them warm up.
Yeah, no better. There it is. Done deal. Oh, and the GoPro is catching them flicker.
Catching them what?
It's catching them flicker.
Yeah.
The GoPro. There you go. How to change, I guess, high beams or low beam, whatever. How to change the outside headlights and the halos.
Hey, what's up? Oh, you leave right here?
No. I'm just talking about in general. How to change those and the halos. Thank you for watching. Catch you later. You're always welcome here. You love cars? I love cars. Hey, let's just keep it simple. Come back. Just keep coming back for more videos just like this one.